Welcome to qnawire.
Conditioners and commercial fans. Each air conditioner requires 3.8 hours of assembly time, and each fan requires 1.9 hours. The assembly line has a maximum operating time of 152 hours per week. Graph the number of each that can be produced in 1 week. See example 3. Let the x-axis refer to the number of air conditioner and the y-axis refer to the number of fans. Graph your answer as an inequality, remembering that you cannot produce a negative of the product. So, first thing that I would want to do is I would want to write the equation that I'm going to be graphing. So I have 3.8x. X stands for air conditioners, plus 1.9 Y stands for fans. It has to be less than or equal to 152 hours because the assembly line has a maximum operating time of 152 hours per week. So my graph, where I got that from, is I went to the Desmos graphing and I entered the equation in here. For the less than or equal to sign, I just pulled up the keyboard and I used this symbol here. Okay. So here is the graph. Now, if you notice the one that I graphed, it's not filled in because I wanted to do that on my end. So I'm just going to go to this slide and I'm going to do a couple of things. Let me just get my pointer. So first of all, I need to fill in my graph because it wanted me to graph this as an inequality. It says graph your answer as an inequality. And it says graph the number of each that can be produced in 1 week. So remember, my y-axis is the number of fans, and my x-axis is the number of air conditioners. Now, the maximum number of fans that I could purchase is 80, or the maximum number of air conditioners that I can purchase is 40. That's the most. I can do some numbers in between, like, for example, I could do 20 air conditioners in 40 fans. Or I could do 10 air conditioners in 60 fans. So this is it graphed, and this is the middle school math teacher signing out.